So by the time we reach our adulthood, we have many core beliefs that are deeply rooted in our subconscious. It's very difficult to change those beliefs because it took time for them to get really settled. If you are in your 30s or 40s, that means that your core beliefs are already almost 30 or 40 years old. This is why it takes time to change them. You can do a lot of affirmations and hypnotherapy sessions, but it takes time to change those beliefs. Those unlimiting beliefs, they impede your growth and success. Because if you were thinking and if you've heard from your parents that money don't grow on the trees, that you shouldn't spend all your money on different things that you would like from your life, then you grow up thinking that there is not enough money to go around. It's difficult to get more money. So that creates a financial barrier that you cannot overcome. Same in regards to beliefs that we held about our health. For example, many people believe that when you become old, you become frail, and the chances are you'll be suffering with poor health before you die. But the reality is different. Some people are active and healthy till their last day on earth, but our limiting beliefs make us believe so, and then they manifest as poor health, as not enough money for the rest of our lives. It is your responsibility to change your core beliefs and rewire them in those that will serve you, so you could become happier, successful, and very content with the life you have.